Mr. Gandhi, the first question is that why it took you so long? It took almost 10 years to have an official interview come in media. Why it took you so long?
Good question. I am a busy person. Being very engaged in the politics of the Congress, I have had to strive to create a system where people can be empowered. Empowerment is the future that the youth need to look forward to. If there is no empowerment, there is no confidence, there is no courage to bring about a change in the system.
When you talk about courage, now it is being said, looking at the current scenario, looking at this current scenario where the Congress is right now, don't you feel, I feel that you don't have that enough courage to face Narendra Modi, but looking at what is happening now? Do you have that much courage, or you have that confidence to say that you can this time beat him and win the elections?
It's when you refer to this particular individual of another particular party, there's only one thing that comes to mind. When you're on a cricket field, imagine yourself, you're on a cricket field, you have a bat in your hand, you have a fast-paced bowler from another team coming right at you. You have no choice but to hit the ball. If you miss it, you are just hoping that it's a wide.
Mr. Gandhi,
I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. If it's not a wide, you want it to be a no ball.
You still haven't answered what I asked for, so let's just move on. What my record says is that there was so much of corruption happened, and you haven't been vocal about it. When this Ashok Chauhan and this case happened, you never opened your mouth, you never come up in the public and said that there was something corruption was happening. You never spoke anything about that.
Corruption is a very wide interpretive word. Corruption happens in the homes. It happens between relationships.
Mr. Gandhi,
let me come to the point.
I'm trying to Ashok Chauhan, which I'm telling you.
Arnab, I will come there. Let me explain it to you in a way that Rahul Gandhi has learnt it in school. Corruption, if it stems from home, if your washing machine is not functioning in the way it is supposed to, when you first buy, you have been a victim of corruption. Arnab, continuing from where you cut me off very abruptly, which I don't like in interviews.
Mr. Gandhi, again, coming back to this, as if we just check for the last 5 years records, if we check the price of everything from vegetable to the petrol, it has increased more than 300%. What you have to say as the member of your party, and this has all happened in the last 5 years when your party was ruling most of the time?
If I can, Arnab, if I can just take you back in time to a history lesson you must have read about in school. Potatoes grow underground.
Mr.
No,
that's not what my question is.
Potatoes grow underground.
I know it, I eat potatoes, but my question is that...
No, you're not getting what I'm trying to come at. Farmers, when they harvest potatoes, they have to make sure they are clean. Yes? And these clean potatoes are then sent to the markets. And it's us who, people like you and me, people like the commoners in India, the masses.
Are you ready to go on a debate with one-on-one with the Narendra Modi? Do you have the time? I can arrange, I can ask Narendra Modi, he can come for the debate. Are you ready for that? Are you ready to go ahead and have a one-on-one debate with Narendra Modi, the opposite party?
You know, there's something wrong with this interview. You should ask me questions, some of them that I want to be asked.
This is interview. I'll be asking what I really need, what the Janta want to know about it.
But does the youth want to know about it is the question.
Mr. Gandhi, what's wrong with you? I'm asking you something, you're not answering that.
Okay.
Are you ready to go on a debate with Narendra Modi?
I am very tired with your persistence, Arnab. It's not how you conduct yourself in an interview.
Mr. Modi, are you ready to go on a debate with Modi? Are you ready to do that?
I should tell you.
What's your name? Can you just answer straight away? What's your name?
Let me come to some.
What is today? Can you answer me? What is today?
It's all about understanding what the system wants you to believe. If the system wants you to believe that you are incapable of change, you will think you are incapable of change.
Are you ready to go on a debate with Narendra Modi? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Do you get enough water in your locality, Arnab? Can you rely on a party that can give you sufficient water?
Mr. Gandhi, can you go on a debate with Narendra Modi one-on-one? Can you just go on a debate with him? Just yes or no?
My mother used to say,